Today, Sarah and I are going to prepare a Florentine specialty in the wood-fired oven. You can see the fire gently going, and right above we have our frying pan heating up. We're going to make Piselli alla Fiorentina. We have some peas here, garlic, pancetta, over here some fresh parsley, a little sugar and water. And we are taking this recipe out of this amazing book given to us by Giulia Scarpaleggia and Tommaso. They are a Florentine couple that has written this book, and it is absolutely amazing if you are looking for true Tuscan food. As the pan is heating up, we're kind of going to crush the garlic and take the skin off. And you can either put it in whole like this, or we could slice it thinly as well. We're going to put some olive oil in the bottom of the pan. We're going to put the garlic in there, as well as the pancetta. And this needs to be done on a very gentle heat because it's going to be cooking for a while. In the meantime, we're going to cut some of this parsley and chop it up. So this last trip when we went to Italy, we got to meet Giulia and Tommaso, and it was such a pleasure meeting them. Such wonderful people. They are an incredible couple. They love each other, and they are so passionate about what they're doing, teaching people Tuscan food. And you guys need to check out their book. Now, of course, normally it would be much better to be able to find fresh peas. These are actually frozen peas, but it will be just as good anyways. If you can find fresh peas, then that would be awesome. We add a little bit of cayenne pepper, some black pepper. I don't think she adds cayenne pepper. Believe it or not, a little sugar. And of course, salt to taste. We're gonna put the parsley in there as well. Give it a quick stir. And then to this, we will add some water. And this will gently cook for a little while, for a good 35 minutes. So here comes the water. We're going to cover it up and allow it to simmer. Let's peek inside. And there we have it. Look at how beautiful these peas look. We're going to put a little bit more fresh parsley on it, and you see all this juice right here. With that, we'll be able to make scarpetta. We'll be able to dip bread in it, and oh my, this could be a meal to itself. And finally, it's time for us to eat these peas. And like I said, we're going to make some scarpetta. We're going to cut some bread, and we're going to be able to dip it into this wonderful sauce. Let's get a little bit more. Look at that. Then a drizzle of olive oil, another little sprinkle of parsley, and then here we're going to cut a slice of bread, and this is what we're going to be able to dip right in here. It is so good. So here, I'm the lucky one that gets to taste it first. Here are our Piselli Fiorentini. Buon appetito!